Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Maggie Hardy. Hi, how are y'all doing today? So today I am going to be doing a tutorial using the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. Now I know this palette's been out for a while. However, I needed a drugstore palette and these are probably some of my favorite colors and I want to get into more drugstore for y'all. So I picked up this palette, which is crazy because I have not purchased a drugstore palette like Maybelline, Elf, anything like that since I was in high school, which was probably around 2006, 2007. So the last ones that I bought were these right here. Yes, they're about 12 years old. 13 years old. I cannot seem to let them go because they hold a very special place in my heart. We are also going to be testing out the new Maybelline Snapscara. I want to see if it's as good as everyone says it is. Come on, camera, work with me here. So alrighty then, let's just get into this little tutorial. So this is the palette. I know with spring coming around, this palette is absolutely wonderful, especially if you want just that little pop of color. So the first color I'm going to dig into is going to be Old Fashioned, which is going to be this deep brown. Today I'm not using my P. Louise base. I'm just going in with a concealer and I'm not going to set it. And I'm just going to lightly buff this right above my crease and into my crease. Using a fluffy blending brush. You guys can use whatever brush you would prefer. I'm really surprised at how easy these are blending out. I mean, look at that. That was effortless. I'm taking some down on the side of my brush and I'm really going to pack this right here on this outer corner. You guys have to excuse my eyebrows. They're just not, I don't know today. This is how they turned out. So I'm thinking about shaving the end of them off. So now we're going to go into Sweet Tea. Just blend this out here. Yeah, these blend out like effortlessly. Now I'm going to dip into Sugar Coated. So I'm going to keep this look very simple, very easy. For my next tutorial on this palette, we'll go in with some color, have it more of a vibrant, springy summer look. So I'm going to take this on just a flat shader brush. If you don't have a flat shader brush, that's okay. You can use your finger. And I'm going to take that about 3/4 of the way in. On top of that, we're going to go into Citrus. The shimmers in these palettes are stunning. Take that and I'm going to top this off. Take away some of that copper shade. It makes it more of a citrus sparkly. Going back into Sweet Tea, blend that little harsh edge out. We are going to finish up the lower lash line and I'm gonna go into Old Fashioned, which was the darkest brown in the palette. Bottom half of my waterline. And I'm not taking this all the way in. I'm just going halfway. Going in with Sweet Tea, which was the lighter brown shade. And we'll just buff this out just a little bit. You always wanna go in after your foundation and fix your eyeshadow if you do your eyeshadow before your foundation. If not, you're okay. But sometimes when you do your concealer and your foundation, it will take away this color and there'll be a harsh line. You don't want that harsh line, so you just really want to blend it back out just a little bit. And the good thing about this is also you can take a clean blending brush. If you notice that this went out too far or you don't want it that far or you put too much in here, you can go into either this shade or this shade right here and you can, I'm gonna mix them, and you can go in here and actually clean this up and it won't be too messy. And you can pretty much chop that in half, which is pretty cool. For my inner corner, my eyebrow, we're going to go into this color right here, which is called Main Squeeze. Yeah, this is a very, very beautiful color. Look at that. A brow bone highlight just always brings everything together. All right, now let's get into the Snap Mascara. I really like the packaging. I myself have never really seen a mascara that has a clear casing on it. All of them are usually a 1 color, 2 color. This says on in a snap, off in a snap. Smooth, clump free volume mascara. And this is what the applicator looks like. I like how it's shaped. It's shaped pretty much the same as your eyelash, as your eyelid. So you can actually go in and get that middle corner. So let's go in. Y'all know I have no lashes, so we're just gonna go in and see. Look, I already messed it up. Oh, go figure. It's supposed to be a mascara and I already messed it up. So y'all just ignore that. I really do like this applicator though. Okay, so other than my little boo-boo right here, this is what it looks like. So if you can see, I can tell a very big difference. It's not very clumpy. The formula is pretty watery. I usually like to use my mascara a few times and have it open. Kind of the more that you have it open, the thicker the consistency gets. So I can't wait to see what it does with that. But as of right now, upon first application, I really like it. So okay, so that is one coat. Let's go in with one more coat, and this is one coat. So let's go in and do another coat and see what happens. Okay, so this is two coat. Whoa, really like it so far. So I'm gonna see how I wear it throughout the day. So y'all, I really just filmed like a bombdiggity.com outro, and my camera wasn't filming. Yay! So we're gonna do this again. You guys, this is the finished look. I really love how it turned out. It's just a nice, simple look. 9 out of 10. I love this for my first drugstore palette in 13 years. I am shooketh to the core. It is amazing. So this shade right here, this main squeeze, I also used for my highlights, which is very convenient because if you don't have a highlighter and you don't want to go spend money on a highlighter, if you have a nice shimmery shade in any of your eyeshadow palette, dip in there and just tap. And you don't want to go too heavy, you just want to go lightly at a time, and it can pass for a highlighter. And Maybelline, I need this color right here, this main squeeze. I need this in a single shade and about a pan this big, please. I just need you to send that to me because I love that shade. I'm also going to be doing another tutorial using this palette. Next time I'm going to do more of a colorful spring summer look, so y'all keep an eye out for that. So this palette retails for $9.99. I love it. I want to go get the other one, which is a purple one. I think it's called like Soda Pop or something like that. So for $9.99, not bad at all. I can't wait to get the other one. Do y'all have this palette? I know it's been out for a minute. Do you have it? Are you gonna go get it? Have the Maybelline Snapscara. You guys, my eyelashes look bomb. So I'm really hoping that this does not flake, crumble, or transfer to my under eyes. Y'all know I have very bad lashes, and I usually wear lashes all the time, but my eyelashes actually look pretty good for myself for not having any lashes. $6.99. And I love, like I said, I love the packaging. Just the clear packaging of this is so cute. It's so adorable. So this compared to the Tarte Camera Lashes is, it's pretty good. So everyone who's been freaking out about this mascara is correct. So I highly recommend. That is the end of the video. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like for me. It always helps me out. You guys, also, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I would love for you to be one of my VIP, my very special people. You can also please turn on the bell notifications. My upload schedule is kind of crazy sometimes. I usually do at least 2 videos a week. You can also follow me on all my social medias. Everything's down in the description box. Description box is always the best part of my videos, other than seeing this beautiful face right here. So you guys go down there and check everything out. I would love to have you on the team. So I love you. Y'all guys, go do something nice for somebody today. Somebody just might need your love and kindness today. So you guys, thank you so much. I will see y'all very soon. Bye y'all.